Hi, welcome. Today I want to show you a cheap way how you can save your seed phrases for your Bitcoin on a fire resistant storage. For this I use stainless steel washers, bolts and nuts. And I also use a stamp kit to stamp in the seed phrase in the washers. So you can store it safely in a vault wherever you want. It's recommended to use 2 bolts for in total 14 washers, 1 on the front and 1 on the back, and the 12 washers for the first part of your seed phrase and the other washers for the last 12 of your seed phrase. I recommend to use a little bit heavier hammer instead of a regular one, because the stamping isn't quite nice. Because the stamping isn't quite nice, as you see over here, and this one is with the heavier. The total cost of the washers, the bolts and the nuts is about €4. In my country that's about $4.60 in the US. I also purchased the stamp kit. You can buy it on a local hardware store for about €13. I paid for it, so that's about $14. Now for the process, you stamp in your seed phrase in your washer, starting by number 1. So you know that it's the first seed phrase, and then your seed phrase on the first washer, and then you go to number 2, stamp in the second seed phrase, and so on. After that you use a empty washer, put it on the bottom, and then the 12 washes in order with your seed phrase, starting from number 1 till 12, and then a empty one and a bolt. So that you don't lose the seed phrase. It's recommended that you store the seed phrases from 1 till 12 at a different place than the seed phrase from 13 till 24. Why you do this? Because if somebody stole your seed phrase, they never can get your bitcoins or whatever cryptocurrency you use. But if they do have the total 24 seed phrases, they can steal your bitcoin. That's not what we want. And why do we use it? Because when you draw the words on a piece of paper, and in case of a fire, the paper will burn, and these stainless steel bolts and washers, they don't. So that you can find your bolt and washers, and you can still reach your bitcoin. So that's why. And now I will show you how to stamp in the seed phrase in the washers for the storage. If you like this video, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos like this.